me guess. You're not stuck because you're lazy. You're stuck because you're scared, terrified of failing, of looking stupid, of proving them right. Scared that maybe you're not built for this. But listen, you're not broken. Your brain is just doing its job, trying to keep you comfortable, safe, and unchallenged. And that comfort? It's a coffin. If you don't confront that fear, it won't protect you. It'll bury you alive. Psychologists calls it loss aversion. Your brain will do more to avoid pain than chase success. And to your nervous system, failure feels like danger, like humiliation, rejection, even death. That's why you keep stalling. That's why you keep making excuses. Not because you're weak, because your survival instinct is hijacking your ambition. That wiring helped your ancestors survive the wild. But today, it's why your dreams are still on hold. Let's be clear, the fear of failure is one of the most dangerous illusions you'll ever face. Because failure doesn't kill you, inaction does. Failure teaches, it sharpens. Every person you respect has failed harder than you've even dared to try. They didn't win because they were fearless. They won because they moved anyway. So how do you kill the fear of failure? Step 1, name it. Stop pretending you don't know what you're afraid of. Write it down, face it, and own it. Step 2, break the illusion. Ask yourself, what's really going to happen if you fail? Spoiler, you won't die, you'll learn. Step 3, redefine failure. It's not the end, it's the beginning. It's feedback, use it. Step 4, take micro-action. Don't wait for motivation, don't wait to feel ready. Move, imperfect, messy, right now. Step 5, repeat. Not once, not sometimes, every time. Stack the reps, screw perfection, build resilience. Because here's the truth, you either let fear run your life, or you take the wheel back. The clock's ticking, fear already stole enough time. You don't need clarity, you don't need confidence. You need movement. Start ugly, start afraid, just start. Because the top, it's not reserved for the fearless. It's reserved for the ones who show up anyway. If this shook you, share it, comment with what you're fighting through, and subscribe, because this is the space where we train minds that refuse to break.